What is going on, coin traders? Thanks for joining me for the show. Looking at Bitcoin again, BTC on that ticker. In yesterday's video, we talked about this breakout on this overall consolidation pattern after kicking off not only support level coming in right at 67,200, but also we looked at the support level on top of the daily exponential moving averages that it did hold in between the 26 and 12 period exponential moving average. So right now, this is exactly what we talked about. What we want to see is the second day of follow through. And then even looking down on volume, we've already topped yesterday's volume, and we still have about 7 hours left as of time of recording for this candle to actually print and close here. So yesterday's Bitcoin volume was 11.884, at least on this exchange anyway. And then on the current daily candle, we're already looking at 12.213 thousand. So a lot of increase already with plenty of time left. So still plenty of follow through left to actually have happen on this chart. And up overhead, plenty big resistances. The main one we are looking at for the close, 71,600. So if we can get on top of that and actually maintain that close, that's going to be huge, huge, huge for the bulls here for a Bitcoin. But we know that we still are in this longer term channel here, which isn't necessarily still a bad thing. So even if we do go up and reject and actually pull back and tighten for a little bit, not necessarily the worst thing for the longer term outlook. But obviously, given this pattern, finding support on top of price level and exponential moving averages, and now seeing a lot more upside if we do break the 71,000 level and actually see some consolidation and defining that as that new support, that's going to be an extremely good move for the shorter term. And likely we would be looking at a new all-time high here coming in within the next week or so. So on yesterday's video, we also talked about this very nice breakout from this longer consolidation pattern and how we wanted to actually see a pullback and a back test of these exponential moving averages, as well as this previous level of resistance. So we did define that as a very nice support level, back tested that pretty well. And then in this pattern, had a very nice explosive move to the upside now with very nice volume coming in. So only about an hour into this current 4-hour chart here and on the current candle anyway. And on the previous candle, very nice explosive volume with a very, very nice candle, not necessarily a much lower shadow and not a lot of selling at the top. So no wick essentially at the top as well. So very nice breakout, pullback, back test, and then an additional fall through with extremely nice volume. So this is a very nice sign and setup right now for a Bitcoin. And we are expecting this level of resistance at 71,600 to actually get smashed here coming up soon. And it may not be in the current day, but even if we do, like I said, reject and actually bounce off some of these supports, we are going to be looking at breaking out this support here pretty soon, especially given the minimal selling pressure and a lot of the other fundamentals of the space right now, as well as a lot of excitement coming in for a lot of various other things, the ETF approval and all of that other great news that have been starting to emerge now for the overall crypto space that does start to improve sentiment, just because overall sentiment has still been so negative. And yet the great thing about it is that with prices at this level, with sentiment being what it is, it's a great thing that once sentiment does start shifting and coming in and start getting a little bit more euphoric, we're definitely going to see this price start to shoot up a lot higher and actually top out the current all-time high right now, which, like we said in yesterday's video, coming in right now at 73,835. So if you do like these type of shorter updates and a little bit more of the quicker responses and comparing it to the analysis from the previous or earlier videos, definitely drop me a note in the comment sections below. Let me know what you think. Can definitely look at doing more shorter updates like this here in the future. And otherwise, that is going to go ahead and wrap it up on this quick little update for the current status of Bitcoin right now. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you have not done so just yet. Do appreciate all the questions, comments, issues, disagreements, all that stuff down in the comment sections below, or feel free to reach out over on Twitter or X at @coin_trades is the handle over there. That is going to do it for now, though, so stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you back in the next video.